Good morning, it's Donna Joy from Donna Joy Coaching, and also I'm the creator of the free Facebook group, the Online Marketing Guild, or the OMG as I like to call it. It's very, very early here, it's still dark outside, but I had a very exciting idea before I went to sleep last night, and I just didn't sleep properly at all, so that's not what I'm going to talk to you about today though. I've just finished doing my morning meditation and my reading, and something that's quite relevant to network marketers and affiliate marketers and online marketers in general that I want to discuss with you. You know, especially with network marketing, we tend to get very passionate about our product, and our product is the only one that can meet people's needs. It's the best, it's better than everybody else's, and we, in almost cult-like fashion, we get excited about our product. But that's often where we're going wrong, and with our marketing especially, that's where we're going wrong. So I've been reading this morning a chapter that brought this sort of back to me. I mean, I knew this anyway, but it just emphasized it. So I just want to read a few parts of it from you. So it's from The Road Less Stupid, and it's a chapter called Mamas Love Their Babies. And Keith says, entrepreneurs are the mothers of their ideas and products, but we could switch in network marketers, with talking about our products. They tend to love their idea and become obsessed with the product, which we do. We have to become obsessed with our product because a lot of us aren't natural salespeople, and we can't sell unless we're really excited about a product and we think it's the bee's knees. But this creates two related problems. First, the market does not care how much you love your idea or how passionate you are about it. Your customers do not spend money on your product just because it happens to be your life's purpose. Customers want to get out of pain, avoid a pain, or create a gain, and either you can do that better or more efficiently than the competition, or you can't, meaning that your product can do it for them better or more efficiently than the competition. So the second problem is obsessing about your product or your passion in an internal focus. Optimizing for passion and product perfection instead of customer needs and demand is a classic business mistake. If your intention is to generate sales and make money with your product, then the obsession with the customer is mandatory. So it means that we shouldn't be thinking about our product first, we should be thinking about the customer first, and we shouldn't be leading with our product, which is what we often do. We should be leading with what pain that problem can solve, or what gain that our product can give the person. We need to, this comes down to our avatar and how important it is to work out who our avatar is. And I've said this before, if we're marketing to everyone, we're marketing to no one. We need to work out who our avatar is. Even though it seems painful to let go of potential markets and potential age groups and even potential sexes, we need to spearhead down to who our particular avatar is. Now, even if you're in the same network marketing company, your avatar can be totally different from someone else's avatar. One, because you might decide to focus on a different product because you're passionate about that product, but two, just because of who you are and who you speak to and who your peer group is. Okay, so you need to work out, one, what product you have, and then you need to look at your product's unique selling propositions and the benefits of that product, and work out one thing that product can give to people that can either solve a pain or give them a gain, and then you need to focus on that and really spearhead your marketing. Okay, if you come in with, oh, my product can do this and this and this and this and this, people just they zone out and they stop thinking. Whereas if you've come in that one thing that can solve their problem, people are more likely to want to jump on board. So he goes on to say, the last time you spent money on something, anything, it was to solve a problem or to meet a need. The business that got your money was the winner based on the aspirin they sold and not their passion for making the aspirin. So basically, when he's saying aspirin, he's not talking about aspirin literally, or he might be. What he's talking about, if it was aspirin you bought for a headache, he's talking about our product being the aspirin for somebody's pain. And here is the really truly bizarre part. You can have a crappy product and still become uber successful. And he goes on to talk about McDonald's, about how, if all their customers ate their food all the time, they wouldn't have any customers anymore because it'd kill them. And he talks about Southwest Airlines, which has made more money in the last 20 years than the rest of the airline industry cumulatively, even though they don't offer food, they don't assign seats, there's no leg space, but they've come up with a business model that solves a whole heap of people's pain. So here is his takeout on a bumper sticker. Your success will have very little to do with what you do and everything to do with how you do it. Never ever forget that. And he goes on to quote Peter Drucker. If the marketing is done right, selling becomes unnecessary. So he defined marketing as figuring out the red hot searing pain and offering a product or service that solves that problem. Aspirin sells itself. Instead of falling in love with our products, we would all be more successful if we fell in love with our customers and their outcomes. Okay, so that's a really good takeout. Stop thinking about our products and start thinking about how our products can help people, and really like laser focus in on the one top thing, the one top benefit, the one top thing that's going to stop a pain or give a gain, and what avatar, what market that is going to be for, and then we're going to have more success. Okay, so I hope that you're having a great weekend and that your Sunday is wonderful.